Everyone is talking about AI phones and faster chips, but Europe just made a move that could change smartphones forever. The European Union introduced powerful new phone rules. They focus on durability, repairability, and longer device life. And yes, this could affect America too. Why should the United States care? Because Apple, Samsung, Google, and other brands don't build phones for only one market. They build for the world. When one major region changes the rules, companies often update products globally. That means your next phone in the USA could be different. The biggest change begins in February 2027. Users must be able to replace phone batteries using basic tools at home. No expensive service center visits, no frustrating repair process, no buying a brand new phone just because battery health got worse. Millions of Americans upgrade mainly because battery life becomes terrible. This single rule could save users hundreds of dollars. The EU also wants stronger batteries that last longer. Batteries must keep at least 80% capacity after 800 charge cycles. That means less battery aging, better daily performance, and phones that still feel reliable after years of use. Another huge update is spare parts availability. Brands must provide important repair parts for up to 10 years. So if your screen cracks or camera stops working, repairs could become easier, faster, and more affordable. The rules also protect independent repair shops. Users may no longer be forced to depend only on official service centers. More repair choices usually mean lower prices, quicker service, and better value for consumers across the market. For Apple and Samsung, this may require redesigning future phones. Devices may need to become easier to open and repair. And if companies choose one global design, American customers could benefit from these changes too. The future of smartphones may not be only about cameras or speed anymore. It may be about how long your phone lasts. So here's the real question. Should the United States introduce the same kind of smartphone rules? Would you keep your phone longer if battery replacement was easy? Comment below and subscribe for more future tech updates.
Most people don't realize this, but the phone you buy in the United States might soon be designed for Europe. Because when companies like Apple, Samsung, and Google redesign their devices, they don't want separate versions for every region. It's expensive, it's inefficient. So when the European Union sets strict rules, the impact doesn't stay in Europe, it spreads globally. Now imagine this. You're in the US, your phone battery starts dying after a year. Right now, you either pay a high repair cost or upgrade to a new phone. But with these new rules, you could replace the battery yourself in minutes. No appointment, no waiting, no $100 plus repair bills. And that changes consumer behavior completely. Instead of upgrading every 2 years, people might hold on to phones for 4, even 5 years. That's a massive shift for the entire smartphone industry. Less waste, more savings, smarter buying decisions. So the real question is, if this becomes the new normal globally, will Americans still upgrade as often? Or will the upgrade culture finally slow down? Drop your opinion below and follow for more future tech insights.